Buke sibingelele sikwamukele indaba ezihora lokuqala emini lezi indaba nizothulelwe unkosazana wakwaDambuza Amagubha nazo ezinohlonze emini nje. Amaphoyisa adubula bulala abalisa abane abasola ngokuqola amabhizinisi endawo eMilton eKapa namhlanje kuseni.
Leading stations among them were Nyanga, followed by Nanda, Umlazi, Khayelitsha and Harare.
Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uSenzo Mchunu uthi zenyukile igameko zokubulawa kwabantu kuleli. Usho lokhu ngesikhathi ethula izibalo zobugebengu zesigaba sokugcina sika 2023-2024 nesigaba sokuqala sika 2024-2025. Amaphoyisa adubula bulala abalisa abane abasola ngokuqola amabhizinisi endawo eMilton eKapa namhlanje kuseni. Okhulumela amaphoyisa uBrigadier Novela Phothelwa uthi umbiko ukhombisa ukuthi abasolwa bavulele ngenhlamvu emotweni yamaphoyisa ekade balandela. Amaphoyisa abesephinisela nawo adubula. uPhothelwa uthi kulimala abasolwa abane kulesigameko kanti baqashwe ngeso elibukhali esikhungweni sezempilo. Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa uSenzo Mchunu uthi izehlakalo zokubulawa kwabantu zikhombisa ukuthi lenyukile izinga lalobugebengu. Ekseni namhlanje ungqongqoshe uMchunu wethule izibalo zakamuva zezinga lobugebengu nokuvele uzo ukuthi kwenyuke kakhulu nokuthunjwa kwabantu lapho igebengu ifuna khona inkokhelo ngenkani ukuze ikhokhele labo ezisuke ezibathumbile.
Izifundazwe ukubala phakathi iWestern Cape naKwaZulu Natal ngezinye ungqongqoshe uMchunu ahlonze ngokuthi kuzodingeka basondele kakhulu kuzo ngenhloso ukuthi zelekelelwe ukubhekana nezinga lobelelisi. uMchunu ubalule izifundazwe ezine okuyizona ezigubuzelwe kakhulu ubugebengu bobulawa kwabantu.
All the top 30 stations for murder were in only 4 provinces, namely Western Cape with 11 stations that are going to be receiving our focus. KwaZulu Natal 8 stations, Eastern Cape 6 stations, and Gauteng 5 stations. The leading stations among them were Nyanga, followed by Nanda, Umlazi, Khayelitsha, and Harare.
Umbasa kuya kunhlangulana kubulawa abantu abangaphezulu kwezinkulungwane eziyisithupha kuzwelonke. Igameko zamacala okudlwengula zingaphezulu kweinkulungwane ezishagalolunye ezweni. Nokubanjwa kwenkunzi kwenyuke kakhulu kusigaba sokugcina unyaka mali u2023-2024 kungeka umali u2024-2025 maqondana nezenzo zezigebengu ezidubula sibhekise emaphoyiseni lapho zivinjezelwa khona. Ungqongqoshe uMchunu uthe ngeke kubekezelelwe ukusala enkundleni kwamaphoyisa umihlaselwa.
Police are the only people who have a mandate to protect us and to fight crime. Now, when they do their work and you challenge them, you are challenging the state. You are challenging the state, and there will be consequences.
Amaphoyisa uthe sekwandiswe nesibalo esithexaxa sezakadalwawane eEastern Cape lapho kubikwa khona ukwanda kwezenzo zobugebengu bokuqola kwamabhizinisi yilabo abafuna ngenkani inkokhelo ngelokuthi bazovikela izindawo zosomabhizinisi emaqenjini esigelekeqe. Undunankulu wakwaZulu Natal uThami Ntuli uthi uhulumeni wesifundazwe usazoqhubeka nomkhankaso wokugasela ezakhiweni eziduniwe. Lokhu kuza emva komkhankaso wokukhuculula ezinye izakhiwo obungolesithathu enkabeni yedolobha iTheku.
Undunankulu wakwaZulu Natal uThami Ntuli uthi ukugasela kwangolesithathu enkabeni yedolobha iTheku bekuyisiqalo njengoba uhulumeni wesifundazwe ehlose ukuqeda nyango okudunwa kwezakhiwo.
For us not to continue the very same airtime to all other buildings is because we know that when we start with the first one, the second one, then the message is carried across to say run away. So we'll be going back unannounced again to ensure that we're able to capture whoever will be there illegally.
uNtuli ubalule umthelela ongemuhle wokudunwa kwezakhiwo esifundazweni wazwakalisa ukukhathazeka ngezimboni eziqasha bokufika abangenazo izimvume.
We have information that some of the factories are employing a number of them and they are kept inside the factories buildings. They are locked up there, and then as we continue with our operation, we will be also even attending to that one because others are not in illegal occupied buildings, but they are locked in factories.
Uthi-ke le mkhankaso izoqhutshwa ngokubambisana nomnyango wezasekhaya uqinisekisa ukuthi amaphepha ayaqinisekiswa ngaphambi kokuthi abantu baboshwe.
In our operation, it's a joint operation wherein even the Department of Home Affairs, in order to verify the documents, even when they produce the documents, to verify whether they are legal documents or they are fake documents.
Umbiko uSihle Dlamini wezindaba ze-SABC.
Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa uthi ukucekeleka phansi kwamachweba kanye nojantshi beyitimela kuleli kungase kuba nomthelelo omubi ekwenzeni kwelakuleli ezimakethe zomhlaba. Usho lokhu ngenkathi ephendula imibuzo izolo eParliament. Ramaphosa uveze ukuthi inqalasizinda yezokuthutha imqoka kakhulu.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa ubephendula umbuzo obumayelana nokuthi ngabe kukhona yini osekwenziwe ukuba kubheka ukuthi umkhakha oyimele ungasiza kanjani ekudlondlobaliseni umnotho ngokuthi kutshalwe imali kunqalasizinda kuleli.
For many years, our rail system and ports have suffered from underinvestment, particularly in infrastructure, in equipment, and in the maintenance of that equipment as well. This has contributed to deteriorating performance of our economy.
Umholo omkhonto wesizwe Shamthetho uDokotela uJohn Hlophe ubuze ngokuyibophezela kwelakuleli ezwenikazi waphinde wabuza ngokuthi limephi elakulelo dabeni lwasePalestina nezwe lakwa-Israel. uRamaphosa ubese eqinisekisa ukuyibophezela kwelakuleli ezwenikazi waphinde wathi elakuleli lisayeseka iPalestina.
The member would know is being done to not only support the people of Palestine, but to ensure that we live up to our own values and principles.
uRamaphosa uphinde waphendula umbuzo obuqhamuka kumalema ngodaba lokwakhiwa kwezindlu eAlexandra.
Yes, I will say I apologize for having made people believe that I meant for Alexandra. What I really meant was, yes, we would want to build 1 million houses for the whole country. And as it turned out, of course, we never really reached even that target because of a whole number of issues.
Sisamisiwe kwesikhashana isiphakamiso samaqembu aphikisayo aholwa yi-ANC sokuvotela ungabethemba ubuholi bemeya yaseTshwane uSilius Brink. Lokhu ngemva kokuthi iDA inikele enkantolo ngemizamo yokuvimba ukuvotelwa kwalesi sicelo.
Kulindeleke ukuthi amaqembu ANC neDA aphinde etholane phezulu njengoba usuqale phansi umbango wesihlalo sobumeya enhlokodolobha yakuleli. iDA icele inkantolo ukuba imise imizamo yokususa uBrink kwesobumeya. Umsimanga uthi bazamile ukuxoxisana neAction SA malungana nalokhu.
With Action SA itself, we've been reaching out to Action SA to then say what is actually happening, why are things, happening in this manner, why are we not able to then engage as we would have otherwise have engaged through the coalition oversight group, which is consisting of leaders of political parties at the provincial and national level.
Amaqembu angaphansi kweProgressive Caucus athi uBrink uzosuswa esikhundleni kungakapheli amasonto amabili.
Within a period of 2 weeks, we think we'll be able to come back and conclude the business.
We need each other, all of us, but if others want to think otherwise, we still have efficient numbers to soldier on with the battle. Remember, if Action SA withdraw, we're going to have 108, and then Action SA and then the DA is going to have 107.
Amaqembu Action SA ne-ACDP nawo amfuna ihambile uBrink.
Our structures have made a decision. They told us, get out of the marriage with the DA. This marriage is very, very brutal.
The DA was fixated on personality politics, trying to get me fired. The last letter that I ever received now recently was that previously I voted against the city manager, I voted against the deputy mayor.
uBrink ube imeya yaseTshwane kusukela ekupheleni kukaMbasa nyakenye engena esikhundleni sikaMurunwa Makwarela.
Sisathe ku 8 tolo kanti uMasiwethu uzokuphathela udaba oluthi
which to assure the people of KwaDukuza and Ilembe district in general that this reconfiguration is in the best interest of our community.
I-ANC esifundazweni KwaZulu-Natal ithi izothatha izinyathelo zokwenza izinguquko kumasipala wakwaDukuza. Sikubingelele sikwamukele uma ngabe usanda ngena odabeni oluphambili besibika ukuthi amaphoyisa adubula-bulala abalisa abane abasola ngokuqola amabhizinisi endaweni eMilton eKapa namhlanje kuseni. Bukela sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba zikhona ku-YouTube naku-SABC Plus. Ngena kuzo uyigcine ngamagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzoyithola. Njengoba sekusondela ukhetho lohulumeni beyindawo, KwaZulu-Natal ithatha izinyathelo ezinzo kanye nokuphatha ngendlela efanele kumasipala wakwaDukuza.
On reconfiguration in the KwaDukuza local municipality, during this period leading up to the local government elections, we have a responsibility to ensure stability in all ANC-led ministries. We have agreed as the PC that to work hard to strengthen the ANC and restore its image and effectiveness as a vehicle for fundamental political, social and economic transformation. In particular, we have taken a decision to strengthen the Troika of KwaDukuza Municipality and Caucus. We want to ensure unity, coherence and proper oversight over the administration. In this regard, we wish to assure the people of KwaDukuza and Ilembe District in general that this reconfiguration is in the best interest of our communities. The process for the finalization of this reconfiguration will be processed with the Office of the Secretary General, and once finalized, the province will work with the REC of General Kizenga Mpanza for final modalities. The regional leadership of General Kizenga Mpanza region is now seized with the matter of ensuring smooth transition. We have further agreed on the importance of the reconfiguration of municipal committees in order to sharpen and strengthen the service delivery machinery. As the governing party, we undertake to ensure cooperation of all political parties in the interest of service delivery.
Zibalelwa ekhulwini insuku esehhovisi njengemeya yomkhandlu eGruleni uNkosi Ndiphile Xhakaza. uXhakaza uthi yabonakala imphumela kanti enzela abantu eqiniso.
Imeya yomkhandlu eGruleni uNkosi Ndiphile Xhakaza uthi bayakujabulela ukuthi uyabonakala umsebenzi wabo emphakathini selokhu ethatha izintambo zokuba imeya yomkhandlu. Sho lokhu ngenkathi nabanga asekwenzile nanezingqinamba asebhekene nazo kulezi zinsuku ezibalelwa ekhulwini engenekwe sobumeya.
I must say that our first focus really has been on political stability, and we are happy that we've been able to restore political stability amid, of course, the coalition arrangement, and our communities are happy. The feedback that we're getting is that we are on the right track.
Xhakaza uqhubeke wathi imphumela iyona echaza kangcono.
The performance shows us that we're on a good way. Majority of the service delivery areas, the overall service delivery shows 70% to 90% improvement. Now we must then go to the areas where there's been regress, and then say in the area of waste, we are not seen to be collecting waste as per the schedule. We are not consistent enough to keep the city clean. And then we say administratively what are the processes.
Imeya iphothule ngokuthi bazosebenza umuntu onenhloso yokusiza abantu. Silindo kuhle ngithi eindabeni ze-SABC.
Umnyango wezokuthutha KwaZulu-Natal uthi sekube nenqubekela phambili uhlelweni lokunciphisa izicelo zokuvuselela kwezimvume zokusebenza zamatekisi. Inhlangano yamatekisi eSantaco ithi isebenzisana nalomnyango ukuxazulula izingqinamba kulemboni.
NgoMeyi osomatekisi ababecasuke beganunwabo bamisa ukusebenza edolobheni eThekwini babefuna izimvume zokusebenza eziyaye zikhishwe umnyango wezokuthutha nabathi unganikwa lezi mvume kugcina kwenza ukuthi bathathelwe izimoto zabo amaphoyisa omgwaqo. Osomatekisi bese kuphele iminyaka bekhala ngokubambezeleka kokunikezwa izimvume zokusebenza.
Asikusho ukuthi bakhona abantu embonini abangenawo ama-permit esingafuni futhi nathi babe nawo ama-permit.
Udaba lama-permit ngicela selibambile-ke sonke manje ukuthi okufanele abe ne-permit uvulelekile ngaso sonke isikhathi. I-department ufike nje ngosuku uma uphethe zonke into zakho uyakwazi, kodwa sakuyayiphezulu khona abantu ama-permits amaningi a-accumulate abanesimo ekhuluma ngaso nondaba.
Umkhuzi wamaphoyisa esifundazweni uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi osebenza eduze nemboni ukuzama ukuxazulula izinkinga unxuse ukuthi kubikwe emaphoyiseni uma kunamacala okuphazanyiswa komsebenzi nawo dlame.
For those stoppages, if there are any stoppages that happens when people are stopping taxis from operating, we urge those that are becoming victims to approach the police and report.
Izikhulu zomnyango kanye neSantaco bathembise ukuhambela emarenke esifundazweni ukuxoxisana nemboni ngezinkinga ababhekane nazo. Mlondi Khatebe, SABC News, eThekwini.
Ukuthola uxhaso lwemali kusayingqinamba enkulu kubalimi abasafufusa. Lokhu kuvele emhlanganweni phakathi kwephini kaMengameli uPaul Mashatile kanye noNgqongqoshe wezolimo uJohn Steenhuisen obubanjelwe eKapa. Kube nezingxoxo zokuthi uhulumeni azame ukuthola indlela zokuxhasa abalimi abasafufusa.
To have plans for disasters in agriculture. The minister will bring some proposals to look at how we can mitigate the challenges of disasters. Because today it might be potatoes, next time it's oranges or other things. And sometimes if we don't respond fast to assist farmers, they go down.
The fact that we're sitting today with shortages of vaccines and a huge inability to meet the demands of simple things like African horse sickness vaccines is a source of huge concern, because it really does start to affect the biosecurity. I'm confident that we must draw a line under this matter. We must find out where the money's gone, what happened to it, and how it was spent.
Njengoba kusongwa nje inyanga yabesifazane, uNgqongqoshe wabesifazane kanye nezingane uSindisiwe Chikunga uthi imizamo yokuqeda isihlava sodlame lweyamele nobulili kuleli angeke ithele izithelo uma besilisa beqhubeka nokubhebhethekisa udlame.
Are we there? Not yet there, because of course our past, because of our orientation, because of many other factors that are at play. But are we going somewhere? At least we've managed to conscientize South Africans about this. Whether they are doing it or not, that's another matter. But I think today everyone is aware that there is gender-based violence, for instance, in South Africa, and that it actually is perpetuated, the statistics tell us, it is perpetuated by men against women. And that is why our approach as the department, but as government, is that we can't continue to talk about this as women only and leave out the perpetuators. They must come on board, men must come on board, so that they know that what is happening is not in terms of the constitution, in terms of the law of South Africa.
Inyunyana yayisebenzi SACTU ithi ukuqonda kabanzi ngohlelo lwe-two-pot retirement system kumqoka ukuze izisebenzi zikwazi ukuhlelela kahle imihlomulo yazo yempesheni.
Uhlelo oluzovumela izisebenzi eziqashwe ngokugcwele ukuba zicaphune empesheneni yazo i-two-pot kelela ezimweni eziphuthumayo. Lolu hlelo luzogwema ukuba izisebenzi zithathe igxathu lokusula emsebenzini uma zifuna ukuthola imihlomulo yazo njengoba zizokwazi ukuyithola ingxenye yale mali zisasebenza.
In April 2020, when workers were let go from their factories and those factories closed down and didn't pay them any wages, they were struggling to feed their families and look after their families. And so subsequently, SACTU contacted the Minister of Finance then to say, we need to find a way to make sure that workers access some of the retirement fund savings to assist them.
Lolu hlelo olokusiza izisebenzi ezithwele kanzima kodwa kumqoka ukuba lusetshenziswe ngendlela efanele.
For us, one of the most important messages to workers is that this is for emergencies. The two-pot system and withdrawing money from the savings pot should be for emergencies only.
Izisebenzi zithi ziyakujabulela ukuthi sezizokwazi ukucaphuna empesheneni yazo zisasebenza.
Most workers are highly indebted, and under the law currently it doesn't give workers much choices. You either wait for retirement, or you resign, or you lose your job. So many workers choose to resign to cash out the entire pension fund to pay off some debt.
Le nyunyana isihlanganise umqulu ochaza ngalolu hlelo ewusabalalise kumalungu awo. Lo mqulu wenza imininingwane ngalolu hlelo icace iphinde ifundise izisebenzi nge-two-pot system ukuze zizokwazi ukwenza izinqumo eziphusile.
Umhlahlo wesimo sezulu uyalandela emva kwekhefu. Bukeli sibeka lapha indaba zehora lokuqala emini siyabuya futhi ngehora lesikhombisa. Musa wenkosi ube nani nonke.